What's going on, guys? It's me, TSD. I'm back after at least, I haven't video something in a while. But in the meantime, I know I've been a one busy guy with work and stuff, and haven't done any much shows lately. But all I've been doing was just drumming, and work. That's all I've been doing. And also, today's video is a very different one, and it's a little special because this video is a different snare drum. Don't know what it is? You're going to find out. And this video, like I said, it is not sponsored by, Temu, but it is from Temu. So I am looking forward to showing you in this and see what you think of it. And when I first saw this, it just gave me a big laugh, and I couldn't help but just laugh because it was so hilarious. But anyway, I am ready to show you it, and it's gonna be awesome. So without further ado, let's go ahead to the snare drum, shall we? All right, so here it is, folks. This huge snare from Temu for 128 bucks. This is a huge snare, by the way. It's bigger than my Tama woodwork snare, 14 by, compare this, originally this is 14 by 8. And this, well, this is apparently 14 by 10 inches. This is why I don't see drummers on YouTube trying out big snares like these. I mean, come on, let's face it. This would be the very first thing for my channel to review this. It is not too bad. Before I started, before videoing this, I already tested it out, see how good it is and all that stuff, blah, blah, blah. And it's not too bad because, like I said, 14 by 10. It's the size of it's literally a size of a floor tom. And that's basically what it is. I'll give you an example of the sound you hear as a tom. It sounds like this. Comparing that to my 14 by 14. Just literally sounds the same. But if I put the snare wire on, this is what it'll sound like. I am like, whoa. It almost sounds like a marching snare and a floor tom mix. Like I said, this thing is like huge. I tested this out playing, and this is just the head that came on it, and the bottom head is just a clear head. But the next time I'm back on here, I am going to put a head on this, and I could possibly just use this for really, really cool intros and stuff. So this is going to be really epic, and now things are going to be good. So, without further ado, it's time for me to do a sound demonstration of this to everybody. And this is going to be by far the goofiest playing I ever done for my channel. And oh my God, if I'm only going to say one thing about it, and that is, this is going to be hilarious so much. I even had to adjust my snare stand low enough so I can put this on and have it at a good angle height. Oh my goodness. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, ladies and gents of familiar drummers and stuff, it is time for me to introduce to you the 14 by 10-inch snare drum only from Temu. So without further ado, it's time for me to play it. Let's get to it. Wow. Whew, that was incredible. The first thing I gotta say, anything about the like and don't like. Well, the first thing I do like about it is when you're tuning the snare slash big floor tom. I'll just call it the snare tom. It is very different with its low tuning sound. I can use kind of something like this for doing a little marching snare sound for an intro, or even with the snare wire off, I could probably just, do something very, very groovy, or something like heavy-ish to use and all that stuff. I could just, for a guy who could do something like this, I could just use this with that and my big 18-inch floor tom down the basement for something like this. On the only thing I can say on the things of what I don't like is just the stock head that came with it. It is just like literally just cheap for as it is, but it says made design in the USA, and it says MBAJ. Don't know what that is, but all I'm gonna say is it's just what it is. But I am gonna get. I am gonna replace it with a new Remo head, which will be a coated, controlled the same head on my 14 by 8 inch Tama woodwork snare. But all I can say is I'm giving it a good thumbs up, and it is literally impressive. And I must admit, it is really incredible. And all I can say is if you want to just act goofy with this as it is for studio work, you can do that. Doing this on stage will probably be goofy and kind of confuse the fans or not. But all I can say is this thing is really cool. And the color white, I'm impressed, and it's really impressive. So pretty much that concludes everything on it. So all I'm gonna say is this: I really like it. It makes me laugh because it's a funny big snare, and it's almost the size, like I said, almost the size of my 14 by 14 inch floor tom. But unfortunately, there's no legs for it, but that's okay. I could probably think of something that interesting. So, without further ado, I am officially very satisfied with it, and it is it's gonna be something. So anyway, uh, do me a huge favor, leave yourself leave a like on this video if you like this, and your notification bell is just down at the subscribe button. So turn on for more future videos like this, and please do me a big favor, subscribe to this video if you like this a lot, because I know I would appreciate it if you help me out. If you can get me to over 100 subscribers, please, I would appreciate it very much. And of course, I will play a little clip of this on my TikTok page, so stay tuned for that. And I'll probably play some IG Reel clips of this. Well, play some clips of it on my Instagram as well, and it's going to be good. So thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe down below, and that's all I got to say. If you have any, let me know in the comments down below what you think of the snare. Would you buy this or would you not? Do you like it or what? Because I'm curious to find out. If you can make this video go crazy up over the views, I will flip out if this happens. So thank you guys for checking out this video. I will see you in the next video, and my next video is going to be me just jamming out to something, which is going to be normal. And yeah, that's all. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace and rock on.